Hi, this is Robert at Tractor Town. I'm going to do a video. We got the sun almost ready to set here, but got outside before it got too dark, and just wanted to show you the inside of the cab exterior and sending you some pictures too. It's nice and clean inside, and here's the back, the bed and back. It's parked in a little bit of tight quarters here, but the exterior on it is, I'd say, very good, excellent to me. So it's actually probably pretty good right now. We don't have the bright sun out, so it really shows the paint pretty well. Looks well taken care of. Windshield is nice and clear. Here we go there. I've driven these before. They're really nice handling. Easy to drive. Power steering. This has the optional power dump bed too, which is a pretty decent option add-on from Kubota. So anyway, thank you.